Hello Stellar Guitarist family, I hope you're all doing well today. Today's guitar tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you a really fun song. It's called We Will Rock You by Queen. I'm pretty sure everyone in the world knows this one. I've decided to teach this song today because I've been teaching it quite a lot recently with my in-person guitar lessons, and it's been going really great. All my students are really loving it, and I think it's just because it's such a fun, simple, easy song to play with a really cool rhythm. And especially if you've got kids, I find that the kids really love this one because it's fun to clap along to and to sing along to. So if this is something you'd be interested in learning, then stick around and let's get into it. So We Will Rock You has got 3 really simple, straightforward chords. We do not need a capo for the song, and the 3 chords that you're going to need are E minor, D major, and G major. So if you are a beginner, maybe take a moment now to just practice transitioning back and forth between those chords. We can go from an E minor, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, 4, back to D again, and so on and so on. E minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4 to G, 3, 4, and D. Get really comfortable with those chord changes, and then I'll see you in the next section where we'll talk all about the rhythm. Okay, so the rhythm of We Will Rock You, everyone knows it's like a stamp, stamp, clap, stamp, stamp, clap, stamp, stamp, clap. So the way we're going to replicate that with the guitar is we're going to do a strum, strum, and then a palm mute. So just to get into the swing of it, let's just practice open string strums. Strum, strum, stop. And this is going to give us the same sound as that stamp, stamp, clap from the original. So if we practice that on an E minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And this is what we're going to be doing throughout the entire song. So let's practice this rhythm with the chord sequence we had earlier, starting on that E minor, 2, 3, go. Switch to D, and to G, back to D again, and one more time, E minor, to D, and to G. Good job. Right, you guys. All we have left to do now is to put it all together and do a playthrough. So grab your guitars and grab your kids, get them to do some stomping and some clapping, and let's get into it. So starting on E minor, a 1, 2, ready, and. Yeah, here we go. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the streets, gonna be a big noise all day. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shining in the streets, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you some peace someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, somebody better put you back into your place. We will rock you. We will rock you. Singing, we hope that you enjoyed today's super sweet, short and simple guitar lesson. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and follow me on my channel. It'd be awesome to have you in the Stellar Guitarist community. Also, drop down in the comments, say hi, I'd love to hear from you, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Have a really great day. Bye!